Welcome to your 30-day skincare challenge. Today is demo day. I'm going to show you how to actually wash your face the most effective way. So you get a really good cleanse, you don't overstrip the skin, and your products absorb brilliantly. So let me show you how to do it. You're going to need a sink full of water, a face cloth, and your cleanser of choice. I already did a video all about which cleanser is the best for your skin type, and I also did a video about these amazing face cloths and why you should use it. So if you haven't seen it, please go back and make sure you take a look at that. This is how to actually put it all together and really maximize your cleanse. You're going to take your face cloth of choice, you're going to put it in the bin down below, and you're going to wet it. Rinse out your face cloth, and then while it's wet, you're going to gently wipe it over your entire face, neck, and chest. Remember, when you're doing your skincare, it's from here to here, not here. Grab a small amount of your favorite cleanser of choice. Then what you're going to do is wet your other hand and emulsify it, meaning you want to break it down. And then you're going to massage it over your entire face, gently around the eyes, not right on the lids, but around the eyes, neck, and chest. I even like to do the back of my neck. Now, if you have sebaceous filaments or blackheads and they're driving you bonkers, one of the best ways to actually help keep them in a really manageable state is to actually massage and let that cleanser go over top the entire area. Get right in the area where they really tend to bulk up, and the main T-zone is usually where they are. So really massage it around. You don't want to rub, you want to massage like you would touch a baby's face, really gentle. But you want to allow the product to be on, or the cleanser to be on your skin long enough that it breaks down their dirt and the oils. Now, this is where people actually get it wrong. You don't want to splash water on your face to remove the cleanser. You want to use your actual face cloth. This includes in the shower. So you're going to take your face cloth, you're going to wet it in the sink below, you're going to gently wring it out, not too much. You want to have a little bit of water on there, but it's actually when you're taking the face cloth and moving it up and out, especially right around where all the extra oil glands are. Come on, get in there. This is what's going to perfect your cleansing, removing the cleanser. Because remember, oil and water don't mix. There's going to be a little bit of residual left behind. So when you're using your face cloth and you're gently pulling it off, remember the face cloth, they act like little tentacles. They're gently going to pull off all the dirt, the oil, and the debris that was left behind, including some dead skin cells. So you don't want to rub the skin too hard. You just want to gently move it around. Rinse and repeat as often as you need until you have a perfectly cleansed skin. Our goal is to maximize the penetration of all the products, so it's so important that you wash your face both twice a day, every day. And remember, it's not cleansing the skin that's going to rip your barrier apart. It's making sure that you're using the right cleanser based on your skin type. I hope this was helpful. Add your comments down below, and I'll see you tomorrow.